Hello, friends. Good evening. Welcome back to Folks on Wheels for yet another adventure. This time we are heading once again to Pune during the beautiful monsoon season. And you know what that means: lush greenery, countless waterfalls, and exciting treks. Today is Wednesday, the 13th, and right now it's 3 pm. I am taking the Yellow Line metro to reach Majestic, from where we will catch our train. From Silk Board, it took me just about 40 minutes to get here. Our train to Pune is scheduled to depart at 4 pm. We have planned a 5-day journey to cover some of the most popular and breathtaking waterfalls in Maharashtra. The best part is that we are not traveling alone. This time, we are joining a well known trekking group called Sahyadri Sanchara. So there's no need for us to worry about planning or arrangements. Everything will be taken care of. Our only task is to sit back, relax, and enjoy every moment of this trip. This is going to be a long train journey, nearly 20 hours. In fact, it's my very first long distance train trip. Honestly, I feel it is much more convenient and comfortable than traveling by bus or road, especially for such a long distance. The next day, by around 10:30 in the morning, we reached Pune. The train journey was really pleasant. We didn't even feel the tiredness of traveling such a long distance. Our entire group has more than 40 members, but since it's not possible to move all of us together at once, the organizers have divided us into three batches. For our transport, they have arranged three Urbania travelers. These will be our vehicles for the next 5 days, helping us commute from one place to another. Our first destination is Nanagget Hill Station, where we plan to see the famous Reverse Waterfall. It's about a 4-hour drive from Pune. The views along the way are just breathtaking. Maharashtra looks absolutely beautiful during the monsoon season. Everywhere you see lush greenery, mist, and waterfalls. Any nature lover would surely fall in love with this time of the year. The time is now 3:30. We have almost reached our destination. On the way, we took two breaks, one for lunch and another to freshen up. We had actually planned this monsoon trip last year as well, but every time some natural problem like floods or landslides came up, and most of the places were shut down. Because of that, we couldn't make it. This time, however, the weather looks pleasant. Yes, there is some rain, but it's still manageable. Touch wood. We are walking towards the Reverse Waterfall, which is about 1.5 kilometers from the parking area and can be easily covered on foot. This waterfall is a rare natural wonder that draws many trekkers and nature lovers. Unlike normal waterfalls, where water flows downwards, here the water seems to flow upwards because of the strong winds that push it back, creating the illusion of water going against gravity. This amazing sight is best seen during the monsoon, when the hills turn green, the valleys are covered with mist, and the cool breeze adds to the charm. Naneghat, where the waterfall is located, is an ancient mountain pass that was once used as a trade route during the Satavahana dynasty. Today, it is famous for trekking, its beautiful views, and the old caves and inscriptions found here. With the reverse waterfall and the wide views of the Sahyadri ranges, Naneghat is a truly magical spot for adventure lovers and photographers. But today we missed the reverse effect. Not sure if it was because of less water or no wind. I've seen some photos and videos of this reverse effect. It looks really amazing. Anyway, it all depends on nature. We can't predict it. Still, the views are truly beautiful. The waterfall is just falling down, down, down. Oh my god, look at where we're standing. It's so deep. And just behind you can see the mighty Jivdan Fort. Yes, we're going there. Just wait and see.
Eternal shadows are falling, lost within the veil. Angel voices are calling through the ancient trail.
Now we are heading towards Jivdhan Fort. We are not sure if it's the right time because it's already 5 p.m. and the weather is cloudy and getting dark. If the fog sets in, it may become difficult to complete the trek. Still, we have decided to give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Trekking to Jivdan Fort during the monsoon is an exciting experience for adventure lovers and nature enthusiasts. The fort stands at an altitude of around 3,750 feet and offers wide views of the Naneghat Pass and the beautiful Sahyadri ranges. In the rainy season, the trail looks full of life with green landscapes, flowing streams, and misty valleys, making the journey both beautiful and challenging. The route has steep rock cut steps, narrow ridges, and slippery patches, so wearing good trekking shoes and being careful is very important. On the way, trekkers can see the Kalyan Gate, old caves, and fort walls that remind us of its rich history. The climb is tough and needs fitness as well as patience, but the reward at the top is truly worth it. Clouds floating around the fort, cool breeze, and breathtaking views of hills and waterfalls. All of this makes the Jivdhan Fort Trek in monsoon an unforgettable adventure. The steps are very slippery because of the continuous flow of water. But this is expected during the monsoon. We placed our steps very carefully because if you slip, that's it.
Through the shadows of fall, lost within faithful voices of love, through the ancient dread.
We had completed about 60% of the trek, and I think another 25 minutes of climbing was left. But the fog had covered the trail, so our trek leader decided not to go further. Yes, it was a bit disappointing, but it was the right decision. In such low light conditions, it would have been risky. There was more water flowing on the path ahead, and without proper light, it was unsafe. So, we decided to head back down. No worries, we will come here again. This place is already on our bucket list. We also plan to do rappelling here, but that is only possible in summer. During the monsoon, it is not allowed, I think. While coming back, there was so much fog that we couldn't find the proper way. We even thought we had missed the trail to reach the place where our vehicle was parked. Somehow, we managed and reached back safely. At that time, I saw the fog slowly moving away and the fort becoming visible, so I quickly took out my drone and captured some shots. Just have a look. Yes, friends, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will explore the Kalu waterfall, both the top and the base. So don't miss it. Thanks to the Sahyadri Sanchara Trek leaders for organizing this wonderful trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. See you tomorrow with another adventure. Till then, bye bye.